everybody, Asal Filipina here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, anyway, today I have a new SHEIN haul. So today we're gonna open this one and we're gonna also fit the outfit. So this is the outfit for my driving. So, okay, let's get started. So let's just make it quick, guys. So I have this 1, 2, 3, oh my gosh, 4, 5, 6 items. So this one we're gonna open and also we're gonna wear. For now, it's just enjoy the view of the road. Enjoy watching. There's no can opener. There's no opener. So this one is, we're just gonna, oh, I love this one. So we're gonna fit this one. So next is this one. Open this one. Oh my god, this is blouse, this is tops. And then I think we have to open all first, then I can fit this again. So number 2, because I need some shorts or skirt with this, so I'm gonna just sit aside. And this one is a dress. So okay, by the way, this is my first outfit that we open. So next is, our second outfit is this one. Well, anyway, next is we're going to open this one. I have some kind of accessories in my hair. Accessories that I have to clean up, so I have to hide. So, okay, next is, well, this is my outfit. First, I'm gonna show you. If, focus. Hi again, it's me. So we still have the last one. It's very comfy, so relax. So that would be all, and I'm gonna wear this outfit for my driving videos. Love you all, guys. Bye. Oh, wait. Still have one more. Hi, so we still have the last